வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தாலும் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 6 டேர்ம் 3 யூனிட் 1 Asia and Europe book exercise, question and answer and higher order thinking questions and map work. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, which is not the western margin of Asia? Option A, Black Sea. Option B, Mediterranean Sea. Option C, Red Sea. Option D, Arabian Sea. Here the correct answer is option D, Arabian Sea. Second one, the intermountain dash plateau is found between Elbrus and Zagros. Option A, Tibet. Option B, Iran. Option C, Deccan. Option D, Yunnan. The correct answer is option B, Iran. Third one, equatorial climate. 1. Uniform throughout the year. Number 2, the average mean rainfall is 200 millimeter. Number 3, the average temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Number 4, of the statements given above, option A, 1 alone is correct. Option B, 2 and 3 are correct. Option C, 1 and 3 are correct. Option D, 1 and 2 are correct. So here the correct answer is option A, 1 alone is correct. In the equatorial region, the climate is uniform throughout the year. Fourth one, match list 1 correctly with list 2 and select your answer from the codes given below. This match the following is on the basis of natural vegetation, that is flora and fauna of Asia, tabular column. List 1, Malaysia, rubber. Thailand, teak. Korea, cherry. Israel, figs. So the correct answer is option A. Fifth one, India is the leading producer of dash. Option A, zinc. Option B, mica. Option C, manganese. Option D, coal. Here the correct answer is option B, mica. Sixth one, the natural boundary between Spain and France is dash. Option A, the Alps. Option B, the Pyrenees. Option C, the Carpathian. Option D, the Caucasus. Here the correct answer is option B, the Pyrenees. Seventh one, the western and northwestern Europe enjoys mild and humid climate. Choose the correct option. Option A, these regions are found near the equator. Option B, it is influenced by the North Atlantic drift. Option C, it is surrounded by mountains. Option D, all of the above. Here the correct answer is option B, it is influenced by the North Atlantic drift. Eighth one, which of the following statements is incorrect? Statement A, Europe produces electricity from hydel power. Statement B, all the rivers of Europe originate in the Alps. Statement C, most of the rivers in Europe are used for inland navigation. Statement D, the rivers of Europe are perennial in nature. So from these 4 statements, we should find out the incorrect statement. So the answer is statement D, the rivers of Europe are perennial in nature. Ninth one, choose the incorrect pair. Option A, the Meseta, Spain. Option B, the Jura, France. Option C, the Pennines, Italy. Option D, the Black Forest, Germany. So the incorrect pair is option C, the Pennines, Italy, because Pennines, England. 10th one, which country in Europe has a very low density of population? Option A, Iceland. Option B, the Netherlands. Option C, Poland. Option D, Switzerland. So the correct answer is option A, Iceland. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, the Taurus and the Pontine ranges radiate from the dash knot. The answer is Armenian. Second one, the wettest place in the world is dash. The answer is Mausindram. Third one, Iran is the largest producer of dash in the world. The answer is dates. Fourth one, Europe connected with South and Southeast Asia by dash sea route. The answer is Suez. Fifth one, the national dance of Philippines is dash. The answer is Tinikling. Sixth one, the second highest peak in Europe is dash. The answer is Mount Blanc, 4,807 meter. Seventh one, the type of climate that prevails in the central and eastern parts of Europe is dash. The answer is continental type. Eighth one, the important fishing ground in North Sea is dash. The answer is Dogger Bank. Ninth one, the density of population in Europe is dash, 34 persons per square kilometer. 10th one, the river dash passes through 9 or 10 countries of Europe. The answer is Danube. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, Mesopotamian plain, Euphrates and Tigris. Second one, Mausindram, highest rainfall. Third one, rice bowl of Southeast Asia, Thailand. Fourth one, fjord coast, Norway. Fifth one, bullfighting, Spain. Fourth Roman letter, let us learn. First one, accession. Italy has dry summers and rainy winters. Reason, it is located in the Mediterranean region. Option A, both A and R are individually true and R is the correct explanation for A. Option B, both A and R are individually true but R is not the correct explanation for A. Option C, A is true but R is false. Option D, A is false but R is true. Here the correct answer is option A. Both A and R are individually true and R is the correct explanation for A. Second one, places marked as 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the given map are noted for the following plains. A. Indo-Gangetic Plain, B. Manchurian Plain, C. Mesopotamian, D. Great Plains of China. Match the plains with the notation on the map and select the correct answer using the codes given below. So here the correct option is option B, that is 2, 1, 3, 4. That is Indo-Gangetic Plain number 2, Manchurian Plain number 1, Mesopotamian number 3, Great Plains of China number 4. In the given outline map of Asia, the shaded areas indicate the cultivation of option A, sugarcane, option B, dates, option C, rubber, option D, jute. The correct answer is option B, dates. Fifth Roman letter, answer in brief. Question number 1. Name the important intermountain plateaus found in Asia. Question number 2. Write a short note on monsoon climate. Question number 3. How does physiography play a vital role in determining the population of Asia? Fourth one, name the ports found in Asia. Fifth one, Asia is called the land of contrasts. Justify. Sixth one, name the important mountains found in the Alpine system. Seventh one, what are the important rivers of Europe? Eighth one, name a few countries which enjoy the Mediterranean type of climate. Question number 9, give a short note on the population of Europe. Question number 10, name the important festivals celebrated in Europe. Sixth Roman letter, distinguish between number 1, intermountain plateaus and southern plateaus. Second one, cold desert and hot desert. Third, differentiate tundra and taiga. Differentiate fourth one, the northwestern islands and the alpine mountain range. Seventh Roman letter, give reasons. Question number 1, Asia is the leading producer of rice. Question number 2, Asia is the largest and most populous continent in the world. Question number 3, Europe is called a giant peninsula. Question number 4, although Western Europe is located in the high latitudes, it has a moderate climate. Eighth Roman letter, answer in paragraph. First one, give an account of the drainage system in Asia. Question number 2, Describe the mineral sources found in Asia. Question number 3. What are fjords? How do they protect harbors from bad weather conditions? Question number 4. Describe the climatic divisions of Europe. Ninth Roman letter map skill. Mark the following in the outline map of Asia and Europe. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.